Top of the morning, hustlers. Just hit my head on this Prius hatchback. New car. The junkyard has begun. Got this one for a decent price, but there's reasons. Never seen that before. We got some speed holes forming down there under the battery. That's not good. These cars do have a problem with the seal here not being effective. And this one is the first time I've seen this happen. Like, that's no good. Not sure. It looks like it's aftermarket. Like, I'm not sure. I haven't had any problems with mine, so I don't know why he changed that out. Let's give it a look over. So this car has some rust issues that I didn't know were that bad. Kind of like a buy it now price. So also didn't realize mine had new headlights put in. Going on 10 years ago. So these are pretty clouded up. Let's take another look around this side. Tires, of course, not the greatest. Don't match. Got some paint scuffs and marks. I can get all that stuff out. I can probably clay all that off. Hopefully, maybe. Got a good bumper. Bunch of pieces for mine if I can't get this thing started. That's our problem. See, you always got clues, right? We got a water pump. The hood latch is not OEM. The car is just really kind of in rough shape. The interior looks a lot better than mine. You know, he didn't live in his car like I seem to have done. That being said, it's mechanically likely not maintained as well. See, that's the underside. So that's like a cross member support. It's not completely rotted out. Like, I take pretty meticulous care of my vehicles. So I'm not really sure if this is standard or there's an abundance of rust. I'm assuming we might have some muffler problems, you know, if it's this bad. However, this tow hook held while the tow truck driver was getting it here, so I think it has a couple more years left. I'm going to try to get it running, clean it up, and flip it. Or I'll just start taking parts off of it for mine and throw them in the shed. Look at those brake rotors.